Hello, lovely people! Happy New Year 2020. I have a feeling that it will be a good one. I don't know why, but I just feel that. So today I thought I would do a chill and chatty makeup tutorial. I like chatting a lot and I like doing my makeup, so we're gonna marry those two and today's video is going to be the result. Okay, I've done a few more videos like that. I called them get ready with me, but some of them were not a real get ready with me because I had nowhere to go. Just like today. Earrings, you guys, earrings. I need to put on my earrings. I feel like every time I forget to put on my earrings, something goes wrong with the video. It doesn't go as smooth as it could possibly go if I don't have my earrings on. No. Current obsession? Cactus. Cactus. It's the only plant I can maintain alive. It requires very little effort and I love that. I know that my face looks very rough today. I'm aware of that. I saw myself in the mirror today, okay? But I had a very difficult night. I'm gonna tell you everything about it, okay? It's not as juicy as you think that it is. You can watch with your kids, okay? From 1 to 10, how much do I like these earrings? 12. Today I primed my face with this by Terry face cream. I used this a couple of times. I like it as a primer because it feels like a very thick moisturizing cream, but it absorbs really quickly into the skin. And I like that I can very quickly apply my primer after that. So I used this one, and on top of it I added the by Terry Starlight Rose Glow Booster for foundation. My dear beloved Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation in 150. I decided to take a break after the New Year's, just, a few days, doing nothing, not filming, not posting anything, offline from everywhere, just charging the batteries, it's good from time to time. And it's been great. I've been on my couch all day, you guys. 3 days in a row on the couch watching Netflix. It's been amazing. I like watching different documentaries about the planet Earth, the galaxy, the stars. Those things are really fascinating to me. I'm like, what? Oh, this is happening around us? No way. And you don't really need to think too much when you're watching those things. It's really relaxing and you learn stuff. You learn so much new things. If you haven't seen One Strange Rock on Netflix, guys, what are you doing with your life? Taking some days off was amazing. But guys, I wanted to film a video yesterday. I came here, set up the camera, turn on the lights, everything. But I forgot how to film videos. It's been only 3 days and I'm like, how I was doing this? I forgot. I couldn't concentrate. I was all over the place. It was a mess. It was not good. My New Year's resolution found me on the couch and it was disappointed. You're always super excited for the new year. You have all of those things that you want to do, and when it finally comes, you're like, I can do this later. It's okay. The important thing is to be calm, to not worry about stuff, don't stress too much. So for today's look, let me show you. I have this Tarte palette here. Check it out. Check it out. I want to use this silver shade on my eyelids today. It's so pretty, so reflecting, so creamy. I want to use it on my eyes today. So this is going to be the main piece of our look today. I'm going to take this Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. It's huge. Hold on, you see my mirror. Okay, what I'm gonna do first is I'll take this color here, which is very close to my skin tone, and I will apply it in my crease. Oh, it's a little bit more orangey, but that doesn't really matter. I'm just using that to set the concealer, which I'm using as my eyeshadow primer today. Next up, I'm taking this color here, adding it in my crease. I want to create something like a half cut crease today. Blending it out. I want to deepen up the crease a little bit more. I want to add some more depth in the outer corners. So to do that, I'm going to take this Nabla pointed crease brush and I will take a mixture of this and this color. I feel like these two colors are so similar, but I'm taking a mixture of this one and this one. Okay? Blending it out. And you can really build up the intensity. Now you can add as many layers as you feel that you need. Blending, blending, blending. Can you guys hear the wind? Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my eyelid from the eyeshadows. You guys, it's so windy outside, you can literally hear it. My forehead has been breaking out like crazy. I think I mentioned that in one other video that I did. Can't remember which one. I have a suspicion that what's causing it might be my shampoo, because I recently switched to a new one and the situation got a lot worse after that. So I think that it might be that. I have all of those little bumps. I'm treating them, but it's crazy how quickly pimples and blemishes appear on your face. It feels like they pop on your face overnight and then they require like 5 months to fade away. I read that somewhere, I can't remember where. Was it on Instagram? Can't remember. I think it was a meme and it was saying that I do my skincare but my skin doesn't care, and I couldn't relate more. It's so true. I have a very simple skincare routine because I feel like everything is breaking me out. It's crazy. I don't know, lately it's been a disaster. My diet, I haven't been eating so well. I mean, I've been eating very well if you ask me, but I haven't been eating like healthy stuff, and yeah, it shows. Guys, outside it's so windy. Hold on, I need to talk about that, but I need to finish my cut crease first. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you about last night, but let me just finish this cut crease here. So now I'll take some of this color here. These have amazing texture. They feel like cream. They're so soft and so buttery. So I'm taking some of this bronzy color, add it right here next to the silver so that I can blend it with the brown which I have in the outer corner here. Alright, I added a pair of falsies. We're moving on. So, I know that it took me so long to tell you what happened last night. Listen, the weather outside is awful. It's awful. I hate it, you guys. It's so rainy and it would be fine if it was only rainy. Hold on, let me do my makeup and talk. It would not bother me if it was just raining. But it's also so windy. I feel like the whole house is shaking because of the wind. It's crazy. It's like 50 kilometers per hour. The wind is wild. Oh, I used a little bit too much concealer. Let me see how much is this in miles. That's like 31 miles per hour. Last night I went to bed and it was fine. You know, it was windy, it was raining, it was pretty loud outside. But I was like, whatever. I'm a very heavy sleeper. I don't have issues falling asleep at all. Like the moment I put my head on the pillow, I'm out. I'm asleep. Nothing wakes me up. Last night, I couldn't fall asleep. And it was so annoying because what's happening? I could hear, you know, the wind outside. I could hear the rain hitting really hard the windows. And there is that tree right next to the house. Because of the wind, it was hitting the house all night. The rain and the wind were having a fight outside. It was wild. I managed to fall asleep for like 2 hours and I woke up. I could not fall asleep. I tried everything. Nothing worked. You can still hear the wind. It's been like that for like 3 days in a row. I'm going crazy. It's just rain and wind. So what? I don't know. But I couldn't fall asleep. I couldn't do anything about it. So I was... Let me tell you, you really get to know yourself by the Google searches that you do when you can't fall asleep. When you've been awake for like 5 hours and you just can't fall asleep. Those kind of late night, I'm super bored, I'm trying to fall asleep but I can't. kind of Google searches will tell you a lot about you. I promise you. I took my phone. I had nothing else to do, so I had to entertain myself. I was doing Google searches like, what's on the backside of the moon? Weird facts about penguins. They're so cute, by the way. The way that they walk, they're so adorable. I want to buy something random. Caution, don't Google that. Google will show you so many things that you thought that you didn't need, and now that you see all of those things, you suddenly can't live without them. So don't Google that. I can imagine so many of you guys right now being like, I want to buy something random. Oh no. Don't say I didn't warn you, okay? Okay. I was also on one website that was showing me random websites. Very interesting. Can't remember all the things that I was Googling because I was Googling like 5 things a minute. It's a little bit of a blur today. But yeah, couldn't fall asleep, decided that it's not happening today. Decided to start filming a video, but came here, turned on the lights, looked myself in the mirror, and my eyes were so red. I was like, that's not happening. I'm not filming a video like that. But I really wanted to film a video today. I need to stop adding blush because this is getting out of control. I looked incredibly tired, so I had to do something. I know that some of you will be like, it's not that big of a deal. It was just some rain and some wind. No, I'm telling you, it was intense. Okay, if I can't fall asleep, then it was intense. I'm gonna take some of this highlighter here. Look at it, it's so pretty. First time using it. So what I decided to do is I decided to go back to the place where I spent most of this year, 2020. The couch. I had that eye mask. I actually thought that it was some kind of a moisturizing eye mask, so I decided to put it on. It turned out to be something completely different. I did not expect that eye mask to be like that. How was it called? Star Cosmic. It was some kind of a sleeping eye mask. I can't remember how it was called, you guys. Oh, here it is. It's from the brand Space Mask. I was not expecting that. It was so good. That was exactly what I needed. I have no words. I think that Cloud Beauty sent that to me, and as I said, I thought that it was some kind of a moisturizing eye mask, something like a sheet eye mask, but it was not. You put that thing on, it's like a sleeping mask. It covers your eyes, and after a while it starts warming up. It felt like heaven. I'm gonna spray my face now. Ow, sprayed that in my eye. Whew. I didn't know that something like that existed. Self-warming sleeping eye mask. Such a great idea. And honestly, I think that those would be great as a gift to somebody. Okay, let's finish up this look, you guys. So this year, I also want to get into cooking. I mean, I'm pretty much into cooking, but I'm very... I have no skills. I have the will to learn, but I don't have the time and the patience. I've been always so amazed by cooking. I don't know why, it's just so cool. I find it fascinating. So I ordered some books. I ordered some cooking books. One of them is, hold on, I need to line my lips. I'm so sorry, I can't talk and line my lips. I have lipstick on my teeth. Okay, cool. I'm gonna list everything that I'm wearing on my face down in the description box if you guys are wondering. I was talking about cooking. Yeah, so I got that book called The Science of Cooking. It looks like it's good for beginners. It has, all the basics of cooking, all the basics of cooking certain foods like rice and everything. Vegetables, fish, meat, everything. I think that it has, some of the important things that you need to know before you start cooking. Because honestly, with cooking, I feel like I want to learn how to do stuff, but I want to know the science of it. I want to know why I'm doing that, why this is happening. Just explain it to me. Because of that, when I attempt to learn more about cooking and stuff, I feel like it's a mountain of new things that I need to start learning. That feeling that you get when you're a beginner at something, it can be two things. It can be exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. And if it's overwhelming, that can result of you giving up. And that's what has been happening for the past, I don't know, 2-3 years with me and cooking. I've been giving up on it. I just feel like there's so many stuff that I now need to start learning. But I'm committed. This year, I'm gonna spend the free time that I have on learning how to cook. It's important for me to know how to do it. One day I got that comment by somebody on one of my videos saying that I'm always wearing nude lipstick, and I wanted to be like, what are you talking about? I'm wearing lipsticks other than nude. I wanted to be like, you're wrong, but the truth is, that person was right. I need to do something about that. Oh, about cooking, guys, if you can recommend me good cooking books for beginners, not just cooking recipes, but a book that explains cooking, not just giving me recipes. This book came out pretty good. Can you hear the wind? I'm telling you, that thing is driving me crazy. I can't anymore. It's so noisy. I think that this is going to be a new series on my channel. The CC makeup tutorial. Chill and Chatty makeup tutorial. I want the get ready with me videos to be get ready with me videos, and I want the videos where I want to talk and do my makeup to be, you know, different kind of videos. Usually when I'm getting ready, I'm running out of time, so I don't have the time to talk. I don't like talking a lot. English is not my native language. Sometimes it's difficult for me to express myself. It's difficult for me to find the correct words to use. Most of the times I want to say something, but I don't know how to express myself correctly. And sometimes, you know, I say something in my head, I feel like I said it right, and then in the comments I see people misunderstanding me. So it's a little bit scary sometimes, because I don't want people to understand something else than what I actually meant, you know. So yeah, English, I feel like I can understand a lot more than I can say. But you guys are very, very, very kind in the comments, always. I'm so thankful for that. I feel like I need some highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. Cut creases and half cut creases, they're beautiful. I don't like the fact that they're more time consuming than just a regular smoky eye, but the end result is always worth it. It's worth it, the time. It's so beautiful. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hope you like how the look came out. I'm loving it. That tart eyeshadow, the silver one, wow. The texture, the consistency. Wait, I can't find it. Okay, here it is. The texture and the consistency, it's amazing. It feels as if you're applying cream. Check it out. Look at it. It's stunning, and a little goes such a long way. Check it out. I used a brush, but I think that if I used my finger, it would have done a better job. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit that red subscribe button and also press the bell button, which is right next to it, so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All of the links down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!